Here's more good news and a clarification regarding the estate tax amnesty. Hindi po kailangan ng extrajudicial settlement or ng court order na isubmit on or before June 14, 2025 in order to avail of the estate tax amnesty. In short, hindi po kayo madi-disqualify even if you fail to submit the extrajudicial settlement or yung court order tungkol sa hatian. Kahit na after June 14 nyo na to isubmit. Kasi maraming nag-iisip baka hindi po pwede pag hindi nila na-submit on time. So nilinaw lang ng BIR, nakasulat naman to sa batas. But it's good that the BIR clarified that for those who are availing of the estate tax amnesty, you do not have to submit the deed of extrajudicial settlement or any court order tungkol sa hatian before June 14. Pero kailangan ito i-submit pa rin, of course, before sila mag-issue ng e-car. Para nga naman may basis kanino pupunta yung aling bagay, kung aling mana yung pupunta. And so, to be clear, it's good news. No, isang araw lang po ito lumabas, Revenue Regulation 10-2025. It was dated April 24 and it was released the day after. And so, it's very good news for all of you who wish to avail and who are wondering kung pwede bang mag-estate tax amnesty kahit walang extrajudicial settlement. Pwede po, pwede.
Wow!
Ayun, kahit traffic, nag-update ako sa inyo.